Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Pedestal fan. So we got our grate and we got our fan blade. We've got our base, and that does have a weight in the bottom. Here's our pole. Got instructions, and we got the motor. So a nice large size motor for this guy. So on the motor we got our speed control. We got our on-off switch. It actually has a little carrying handle so we can lift the whole thing up. So we're going to start with the base. Drop the pole on there, and then on the bottom we'll put our little thumb bolt and our washer. Then on the top of the center column we got this collar, so we can loosen that up, and then we can pull that up. So we have the ability to extend this guy. So we'll drop the motor on that, and then we can lock that in place. And it looks like we got a detent on this side, so we can take the whole thing and we can rotate that, and that'll kind of lock in place. But if you ever need to increase the tension, it's just going to be a matter of tightening up that nut. So the fan is going to sit right here. We can see we already got the screws sitting right here in the motor, so we don't have to go looking for those. And we got a circlip right here, so this is going to be the bottom for our fan blade. So we can leave that in place, and you can see we got a flat right here, and that is going to be for this screw. This screw is going to screw onto that flat. And the grate has a hook on the top. Now we'll just slide over the top. So we just want to try to line that up so that the logo is facing down, and then we clip those in. Oh, that's interesting. So the switch in the back is actually the oscillate. So the dial is going to turn it on and off, and then the little red switch is going to allow the thing to rotate back and forth. That is putting out a nice amount of air. And it's also fairly quiet. Usually a fan that's putting out that much air is quite a bit louder. Let's see. Okay, so that was level 1. This is level 2. And level 3. That is very pleasant. It was starting to get a little hot in this room. This feels very nice. So yeah, nice and easy to put together. I really like how quiet that thing is. I mean, it's not like dead quiet, but it is definitely a lot quieter than I expect out of a fan of that size. And it puts out a ton of air. And it looks pretty good too. So overall, that is a very nice fan.